Right, we've got a Mark 3 set about to charge its way past. There it goes, en route to Norwich. He was definitely going at high speed. Right, we've got 19008 at East Anglia, now departing for Ipswich Station, working the 1109 service to London Liverpool Street. Off it goes. Right, we've got a Mark 3 set en route to Norwich now, about to come through. Here it comes. There it goes, en route to Norwich. Right, we've got a Mark 3 set en route to London Liverpool Street, about to race through at line speed. Here it comes.
Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here.
So the Mark 3 set charged through, en route to Norwich. He was definitely flying along at high speed. Right, we've got the 1543 service to London Liverpool Street now. Arriving now, formed of the usual Mark 3 set. Here it comes. With 9006 on the front. DVT A2136 on the rear, en route to London Liverpool Street. Right, we've got the 1544 service to Norwich now, formed of the usual Mark 3 set, getting underway. Off it goes. .015 Colchester Castle on the rear, on its way to Norwich. Just had a Mark 3 set speed through, en route to London Liverpool Street, at high speed. Right, just had a Mark 3 set come through, en route from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Right, we've now got the 1530 service to London Liverpool Street, now setting off. Off it goes. accelerating away into the distance. Right, here comes the 1790 service to London Liverpool Street, now arriving. 900110 on the front.
A buffet counter service of hot and cold snacks is available on the train. First class seating is at the front of the train.
Right, we've got the 1753 service to London Liverpool Street,
Platform 3 is the
worked by the usual Mark III set.
Greater Anglia service
Here it comes.
to Norwich. First class seating is at the rear.
On the front is 9002. Right, we've got 9002 continuing its journey to London Liverpool Street. Off it goes. And we've got 9012 Royal Anglian Regiment on the rear of the 1755 service to Norwich. Off it goes. Right, we've got a through train now from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street, worked by a Mark III set. Here it comes. There it goes. It's definitely flying along at high speed, that one. Right, we've got a through train to Ipswich, about to pass through at speed. Here it comes. With 9014 on the rear, en route to Ipswich. Because of engineering work between there and Norwich. Right, sounds like we've got a London bound Mark III set about to charge through at speed. Here it comes. There it goes, en route to London, with a nice tone from the driver. So thank you very much for that. Right, just had a Mark 3 set, pass through at speed, on its way to Norwich. Right, so the Mark 3 set going at a vast rate of knots, just passed through en route to London Liverpool Street. That train definitely wasn't hanging around. Right, so the Norwich bound Mark 3 set charged its way through at high speed. Right, we've just had the 11:30 service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street storm through at high speed. Right, just had the 1100 Norwich in 90 express service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Has just passed through at very high speed. Wasn't hanging around at all. Right, just had a Mark 3 set pass through with 90.004 City of Chelmsford on the rear, en route to Norwich. Right, we've got the 10:08 service to Norwich, now arriving. On the rear is 90.003. Right, we've got the 14:31 service to Norwich, now arriving. Here it comes.
Smoking is not allowed anywhere at the
On the rear is 90.011. Right, we've got the 10 o'clock service from Norwich to London Liverpool Street, about to storm through at speed. Here it comes. There it goes. Worked for one of the Mark 3 sets still in public use. Right, just had 90.015 pass through at speed on the rear of a Mark 3 set heading to Norwich. Right, 90.003 is about to depart with its Mark 3 set in tow, working the 1500 service to London Liverpool Street. Off she goes.